Hi everyone, today I will introduce about the educational application which named Quizlet. And as you can see, the web address is quizlet.com, and you can just type in this and it will show you this home page. The first thing you need to do is to log in or sign up. And
sign up.
I usually use the Google account. And the Quizlet is a mobile and web-based study application that allows students to study information through learning tools and games. And is currently used by lots of high school students and college students in the United States. Also, I think this website can be used for elementary students and middle school students. Quizlet will train students through the flashcards and various games and tests. As you can see, it will record your latest activity, and you can also create your own study set, even to create a class. And anyone can use Quizlet to study and learn content created by other users, or to create your own study sets. You can also share with your friends, classmates, or your students. Well, the best way to start it on the Quizlet as a student or teacher is to search for sets made by other Quizlet users. And students and lots of teachers create new study sets all the time, so it's quite convenient for you to find what you are looking for. For example, I will input about the kitchen words. That's what I need or what I want to learn about this. So you can just input those words, and this website will show you a lot of kitchen words flashcards, and it shows that it's about 500 sets of kitchen words flashcards. So you can just click one and try to learn it. For example, I will choose the first one. It's created by others, but you can use it to learn. And when you click it, you can see that it has lots of different choices for you. You can learn through flashcards and learning or writing, spelling, test, and much, and gravity. So let's learning through the flashcards. It will show you the words, and you can click here to play the cup. Yeah, it will. Cup. Tin sticker. Wow, that's a hard word. Duke. Print. Kid. Servant. So just like this, you can learn that, and you can change the order. Then you have some other options, like whether you want to have the audio. And this is the flashcards function, and you can also choose other functions like learn, and you can just choose to learn. So if you choose the right answer, it will show you this, and it also has the sound. So you can, from here you can see that you can know how many words you have learned and what the process of your learning. So for me it's very convenient, and talking about the educational use, I think it's very useful for lots of students. For example, you can the teacher can share the links for the students so that they can learn the topic which the teacher wants the students to learn. Also, it have a lot of quizzes. For example, I will research like the children literacy, children literature quiz, maybe, and let's see what happens. And it will show lots of quiz. It can be the grammars, and you can choose the what kind of sort by. Okay. This one is like the children's literature midterm. So for the students who learn about this class, they can choose to go to the Quizlet and to review their knowledge. Yeah, for example, you can see in this set there are lots of questions, and there are the questions, here are the answers, and the students can just review all the questions and answers here, or they can choose to use all those different functions to learn about those knowledge. So like this, they have some questions and you can type the answer, and then you can also print the answer for your students. So no matter for the students to learn the knowledge by themselves, or the teacher who want to create a test for their students, they can went to this website to research the information, the quiz or the flashcards or anything they want for their students. So I think this is a fantastic website which can be very helpful for your study if you are a student, and if you are a teacher, it's very helpful for you to help your students to learn. For me, they have the history for which I learned last semester. I used this to learn about the phonic vocabularies. So it very helpful me. It helped me to memorize all those difficult vocabulary. It makes the learning process more easier and more interesting. So that's all the things I want to introduce about the Quizlet. If you're interested in this website, please type in and you can begin your learning adventure. Thanks.